What you doing? Can you talk? Can you talk? Can you talk? Hi, baby. Can you talk?
What are they eating?
Roses is crickets and milkweed.
And then if I buy one, like where do you take it on? Like,
We give it to you in a little thing, but we also sell a whole setup too.
what's the setup?
I believe a whole setup. Let me double check. But la setup is
What you say? What you say? What you say? I should tape you. You dance so good. There you go. Right. Youngsters, honey.
yeah, and it's not with the like everything like that with the lights and
Oh, you're so quiet there. Huh? So many birds. So many birds.